Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making a drawstring backpack out of a pillowcase. First things first, when we are using the pillowcase, we just want to iron it out so everything is smooth. Now we're just going to turn the pillowcase the wrong side facing out. We're going to be doing the drawstring casing. From the edge of your bag, you'll just mark 1.5 inches down. Let's go 1.5 inches down. And so you can do a line here. And that's just going to indicate that you're going to be sewing there. And then another 1.5 inches. And so here we're not going to draw the line across because you're going to leave that open. So you have to remember to leave that open. From onward, you're just going to draw a line, and that's just going to indicate that you're going to continue sewing down there. So you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And here it is. We're going 1.5 inches down, leaving 1.5 inches, and then continuing down there. We do that on both sides. When we get to the bottom of the bag, just leave 1.5 inches gap at the bottom. Don't sew that, because when we do the drawstring and we make the bag, the straps have to attach to the bottom. So leave that 1.5 inches on the bottom as well. So this is my little sewing buddy today. Hey, you're my little sewing buddy. Yeah. The edge is stitched, and our openings are left on the top and the bottom on both sides. We're just going to take an offal blade or your scissors and then just cut along this edge just to leave it open. Let's do that right now. So we're going to turn this inside out again, so the right side facing out. So we're just going to fold this over 1/4 inch and just press and do that around the whole bag. Now that we have it pressed 1/4 inch around there, around the top, we'll just look for our little hole here. And so we want this to go right, and there we go. And at this point you can use your pins to pin that in place. And now once the casing is folded over and you've pinned it, we'll just take that to the sewing machine and we'll sew along this bottom edge here. So you're going to use a strap of your choice. I just made this from fabric that I had. So remember, it's 60 inches long and roughly 1.5 inches wide. So you're going to take that and take a safety pin, thread it through the top. We're going to put that through the casing right now. I'm going to do a big circle and come out the other end. And just keep going until we find the other strap. And let's try to make it, try not to twist the strap while it's going through. And so we just want to make them relatively the same size. So that's that. So you're going to take your other strap now, thread the safety pin through it at the top. And so we're going to not come in through that hole, we're going to come in through the opposite side. We're going to thread that through that hole, and then we're going to come back out this side. Once you've got your straps in the right place, and they're even on the bottom, we are just going to thread that through the bottom. Just make sure that they're not twisted. The strap is running straight, and we'll just sew along that edge to finish it. Just make sure both straps are in there together. So before you sew it, just make sure the straps are where you want them to be. And now we're just going to take this to the sewing machine. And then just sew along that edge right there. And the strap is poking out, the strap's running along here. Just gonna go reverse it a few times just to make it secure. So that'll be the finished product there. And then we're just going to do the opposite side. If you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do make this bag, let me know how it goes for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.